The word character is derived from an ancient word meaning engraving tool. It eventually evolved to mean a distinctive mark, trait, or quality, which is why today we generally use the word character to refer to the distinguishing traits and moral qualities that set us apart from others. When we rely on reputation alone, we risk living a shallow life with no real meaning or value. After all, your character is what you really are, while your reputation is merely what others think you are. And yet, when you instead work to make choices that build and reinforce your distinctive traits, you'll be empowered with an authentic and distinguishing character that is both meaningful and valued. The question becomes, what are your distinguishing moral qualities? And how are your actions constructing or destructing this character?